All right, we got the sexy muff.
Daddy, chill.
Whew. Look at his hair bad. They touching his face like that. How the hell? What is this? This is not a. This an orgy? It's not an orgy, is it? What is going on? Without further ado, I already like Bamboula. You had me at Bamboula, bro. He got that aura, bro. Without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Bop. What? What the hell? You just looking at me like that? It's only you. Oh! That's a bad. I'm sorry for that pause, but Jesus. What is. Hey, yo, what the. They sure say sporty and rich. Oh, I love your hair. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, I got chills, y'all. What the hell's happening? What the hell no. See, if I ever seen that, I would have gone out. I would have left the house. That's a we need to sage that place. Damn lips. Does he got a firefighter suit? Oh no, hold on. I need to watch that in one go. Chat. I see your future in your what? Say that again. I can't. I see my future in your eyes. Oh, damn! Talk to me then. Oh, the dancers in the background getting it too, though. I'm not gonna lie. The way they body rolling that shit. Oh, she got abs too. Oh, okay. Why this giving me like low key like stop, baby, don't stop. Like when he came in that suit for some reason. I don't know why. We need a updated baby, don't stop, please. I saw Taeyong and him doing that like choreo. Oh, we did another one. Hey, shout out Big Bang. Big Bang mentioned. What the fuck? Woo. Woo. Look at him. Look at him and look at the dancers. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, they sassy with it. Yeah. Yeah. What you seeing? You talking about me because I'm like a little devil, you know what I'm saying? But in reality, I'm like a little angel in disguise. I'm just delusional. Don't listen to me. Hop on what? Hop on what? What we hopping on? A train? A cab? Who made these beats? Who made this, bro? Who made this? Who made the instrumental to this? Oh, he going in. You too hot. You are. Woo. Ooh, I love that. What? Hell, my God. 10. 5 plus 5 for real though. Yo, can I just? No, we need to give a little clap. We need to. My God, 10 Taman would be crazy. How's the rest of his album sound like? Like, I'm curious myself. Stunner? Off the bat, bro. Like, look at this. He's so pretty too. He's so pretty too. Woo! The setup, the way it just flows with the beat. Yeah. Bro, he just got aura. There's just people that just got aura, and he's just one of them, man. He's just one of them. Ten is just that dude, man. Since the beginning, bro. Since the beginning when he started doing like some, whether it be on a group, when he started doing solo stuff, bro. This guys. I love his hair. Woo. Baby, what you doing to me? Bruh. I'm just blessed. I'm just blessed. My ears are blessed. My eyes are blessed. I'm just blessed to be able to witness this. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm glazing the shit out of him, and damn right I am. He deserves it. You should glaze him too. Stream that shit. Bring the numbers up. Alright, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. Ooh. I'm off that caffeine right now. I'm extra as hell, as you can tell. Thank you guys for watching this, whether it be on Twitch, YouTube, whether it be a short form. Really do appreciate y'all. Be sure to check out the Patreon, link in the description down below. Be sure to check out the music video, link in the description down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, y'all. Bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.